CTPAT Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism Audit Services. Full form of CTPAT is Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's global business environment, international trade depends not only on product quality but also on the security and integrity of the entire supply chain. Organizations involved in manufacturing, exporting, importing, logistics, warehousing, and transportation are increasingly expected to demonstrate robust supply chain security practices. One of the most recognized supply chain security initiatives is the Customs Trade Partnership Against Terrorism, commonly known as CTPAT. In this video, we will discuss what CTPAT is, why it is important, its benefits, audit process, and how URGS International can help your organization achieve and maintain compliance. What is CTPAT? CTPAT is a voluntary supply chain security program developed by US Customs and Border Protection (CBP). The program encourages organizations involved in international trade to strengthen supply chain security through documented procedures, risk management, employee awareness, and secure business practices. The objective is simple: to protect the international supply chain against terrorism, smuggling, theft, and other security threats while facilitating legitimate global trade. Organizations participating in CTPAT demonstrate their commitment to maintaining a secure and resilient supply chain. Who should consider CTPAT? CTPAT is beneficial for manufacturers, exporters, importers, logistic companies, freight forwarders, customs brokers, warehousing companies, distribution centers, third-party logistics providers. Supply chain partners. Companies supplying products to the US market often find CTPAT compliance valuable for meeting customer expectations and strengthening business relationships. Now, key security areas. A comprehensive CTPAT assessment covers several critical areas including business partner security, physical security, access controls, personal security, procedural security, cargo security, container security, IT and cyber security, security training and awareness, risk assessment, incident reporting, documentation control. Each area contributes to creating a secure and reliable international supply chain. Benefits of CTPAT. Organizations implementing CTPAT practices can achieve several advantages: enhance supply chain security, reduce security risks, improve customer confidence, stronger business reputation, better operational controls, improved risk management, greater supply chain visibility, improved compliance with customer security requirements, enhanced business continuity, increased competitiveness in international markets. A secure supply chain not only protects assets but also builds trust with customers and stakeholders. CTPAT audit process. Let us see this. A professional CTPAT audit generally includes understanding organizational operations, reviewing security policies, conducting a gap assessment, evaluating facility security, reviewing cargo and container handling, assessing access control measures, reviewing supplier and business partner security, interviewing key personnel, identifying improvement opportunities, preparing a detailed audit report, supporting corrective action implementation. The goal is to help organizations strengthen their security systems through practical recommendations and control improvement. How URGS International supports your organization. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides comprehensive CTPAT support services including CTPAT gap assessment, internal audits, supply chain security assessments, supplier security audits, security documentation support, implementation guidance, employee awareness training, corrective action support, compliance reviews, readiness assessments, Our experienced professionals work closely with organizations to identify security risks and implement practical solutions tailored to their operations. Whether you are a manufacturer, exporter, importer, or logistics service provider, we can help strengthen your supply chain security framework. At last, conclusion and call to action. Supply chain security is no longer optional, it is a key element of sustainable international business. By strengthening your security practices and regularly assessing your operations, you can reduce risks, enhance customer confidence, and support reliable global trade. If your organization is looking to evaluate or improve its supply chain security, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is here to support you with professional CTPAT audits and consulting services. Contact us today. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsISO.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455.